Libra, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 30 to October 6, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Libra, let's see what's coming to you this week. September 30 to October 6. Wow! Ganda naman ng bungad. Success agad. Oh, success that sure belongs to me. Success with honor, integrity. Wow. So, whatever you are in right now, whatever you are working on right now, ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon, trabaho mo, business, career, relationship, your family, there is success. Ang success naman kasi, ano yan subjective. Kanya-kanya tayong definition ng success. Yung iba, having children, that's success. Yung iba, having a business, that's success. Okay? So, for you, you will feel and you will experience success in your life right now. Lalo na ikaw ay ito yung tipong sweet success kasi talagang pinagtrabahuhan mo to, in-effortan mo to. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kung may projects kayo, this is going to be a successful project. Yung iba naman, if you're going to join yung mga contest or competition, ayan, mananalo ka. You also have safe home. So, some of you, meron kami mga gagawin sa bahay na mas mararamdaman mo na safe ka. Iba, literal, magpapalagay ng mga CCTV, magpapalagay ng barcode or safety lock, or you just feel safe with the people you love. Okay? Iba sa inyo, you will spend more time sa home ninyo, sa family ninyo. And you have joy. Oy. Joy is about happiness. Deep happiness ito. Ito yung yung iba sa inyo, Libra, you will find joy in simple things. No? Sa mga simpleng bagay. Magiging masaya ka. Ma-appreciate mo lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. Good or bad, positive or negative. Kasi sa totoo lang, kapag meron tayong mga experiences na sa tingin natin, it's a negative experience, isipin mo na lang na yung experience na yun, kailangan mo munang pagdaanan para makuha mo yung success na gusto mo. Okay? Kasi mas mag-iiba yung perspective mo Mas magiging positibo yung pananaw mo. At kung positibo yung pananaw mo, mas maganda yung ma-attract mo. Positibo rin. Okay? So, your overall energy, you have the 9 of Wands. O, yung iba sa inyo, Libra, pagod na, pero lumalaban pa rin. Meron kayong paninindigan sa inyong mga pinupursu sa buhay. You are standing your ground. Kahit na nakakapagod, no? Let's say sa trabaho, kahit napapagod kayo, or sa bahay, marami kayong responsibilities. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo na at least, no, meron kang lakas para magawa yung mga kailangan mong ma-accomplish. Your challenge is, the tower. Merong release dito. So, maaring merong kailangang i-let go, kailangang palayain, no? This can be anything, Libra, just take what resonates. Ito yung mga bagay sa buhay mo na sinubukan mong panindigan, pero parang hindi talaga binibigay sa'yo. Okay? Can be a relationship. Example, meron kang ipinaglalaban na relationship. Kaya lang, na-realize mo na parang ikaw na lang yung lumalaban. 'Di ba? So, maaring you will realize na, okay, sige, maybe it's time to let that go para mag-focus ka na sa sarili mo dahil pwedeng iba sa inyo nauubos na kayo, yung tipong wala na kayong natira para sa sarili nyo and it's time for you to focus on yourself. Your opportunity, you have the Strength card. Libra, anumang challenge ang kaharapin nyo, ang importante is meron kayong lakas para ma-overcome yan. Which is the most important. Kasi hindi naman natin matatakasan yung challenge eh. Pantay-pantayan kahit mayaman, mahirap, anumang estado mo sa buhay, you will face challenges. Yung iba, financial, yung iba, spiritual, mental, physical challenges sa health. But, uh, regardless, no, kung meron kang sapat na lakas, pananampalataya sa iyong pinaniniwalaan, anumang relihiyon ito, um, yun yung magpapatatag sa'yo. Okay? Your blessing is the Emperor. So, everything is under control, Libra. I see that yung iba sa inyo, meron ditong pag-angat ng pwesto. Pag-angat. Or pwedeng may, anong tawag dyan? Kapag ikay na-promote. Yun, promotion. And the Emperor is also about plans. So, lahat ng mga plano mo, kung maninindigan ka, no, maa-achieve mo lahat yan. You will be blessed. Some of you, meron kayong, ang trabaho, career, business ninyo, online, nasa social media. The unknown brings wisdom when explored. So, meron kang i-explore na iba mo pang kaalaman, iba mo pang abilities that will bring new experiences sa'yo. So, iba, siguro mag-start pa lang kayo na maging social media influencer or content creator. So, you're exploring that. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, matagal na kayo nagtatrabaho. Tapos, gusto niyo magbago ng career path. So, ngayon, naglalakas loob kayo na may baguhin. Diba? You have the Four of Swords and the Eight of Wands. Matagal kayong parang nawala ng interest or parang, alam mo yung feeling mo stagnant ka. Walang pag-unlad sa career. Pero this time, mukhang, meron kang magiging inspiration na i-pursue yung gusto mo. I-pursue yung mga plano mo, i-pursue yung mga pangarap mo. Let's see sa love life. Expression. Freedom. Freedom of expression. So, when it comes to relationship, kung ikaw ay in a relationship, maaring mas mag-express ka ng nararamdaman mo sa person mo or vice versa, yung person mo mas mag-express ng nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. Kasi parang wala nang limitation to eh. Yung tipong kaya niyang sabihin yung ipadama sa'yo yung love na meron siya for you. Or vice versa, pwedeng ikaw, ganun ka sa kanya. If you are single, possible that there is someone na merong interest sa'yo, but I don't know kung ikaw ay open to this type of relationship. Oh my God. You have the Nine of Pentacles. So, I don't think yung iba sa inyo open kayo, kahit na merong nagpapahiwatig. Pwede kasing iba yung inyong priorities at this time. Priority nyo pag-aaral nyo, trabaho, career, business. Oo. So, yun muna ang binibigyan nyo ng attention ngayon. Kasi you want freedom eh. Some of you gusto nyo yung pakiramdam na malaya kang nagagawa yung gusto mo, walang naglilimita sa'yo. You are in control of your life, no? Pagdating sa relationship. So, that is precious. Kasi, di ba, everything has a time, has its own time. So, maaring iba sa inyo, sa ngayon, nakafocus kayo sa pag-i-improve ng finances nyo, career path ninyo, if you're single. Change course. So, meron ditong pagbabago. A closed door is an invitation from life to move in an even direction. It's time to change course. So, yung iba sa inyo, sa career path to. Kasi maaring meron kayong i-explore na bago, no? Na kung saan mas marami kayong matututunan, mas maraming mga information na bagong ma-acquire ninyo, and maaring mas magpaunlad to ng inyong skill set, no? Magdadagdag ng skills, and definitely this will open up more opportunities sa inyo. Mukhang marami kayong pagpipilian eh. isa dyan ay magli-lead sa'yo sa, yung isa dyan, susi, no? Na magbibigay ng opportunity sa inyo. Okay? So, it's time to change course. So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye.